Did the law work well? The law that was given by the invisible leaders to humanity, did it work well? The religious, cultural, and social laws aim at taming the desire body of humanity to transit the lower desires to the higher desires. The old tradition in all societies across the globe is based on laws and the fear of God, so to say. But the laws brought about sin because most people failed to follow them. In fact, only a few people lived by them. It is very important for us to take note of the following. The law was not meant to do the following. 1. Redeem mankind from the effects of the fall in the Garden of Eden. It was only preparatory. 2. The law was not meant to overcome death and make mankind regain the lost estate. 3. The law was not made to restore universal oneness as humanity was before the fall in the Garden of Eden. The law was not made to bring unselfishness, but rather introduce selfhood and separation first. The law did not inculcate enough love into the moral fabric and values of humanity. The love it engendered was largely materialistic and selfish. And we can refer to Romans chapter 7 for the details. So, the failure of humanity to obey the laws made the spiritual atmosphere of the earth planet toxic, which threatened the planet. Spiritually, the eye for an eye and a tooth for a tooth principle became weak and unable to uplift humanity. Jehovah God is the lawgiver. The old tradition that is built on the law is under his authority. But he was not indwelling in the earth planet. He first received the spiritual energy of Christ from the sun and redirected it to the earth. But when enough holy people emerged on earth and the earth was ready, it became necessary for Christ to come and directly recharge the planet and raise the vibration of humanity. As we said in our previous presentation, lecture number 26, Christ took the dense and vital bodies of Jesus of Nazareth and lived on earth for 3 years. The ultimate was to enter into the planet and influence mankind. It is only from within that the lost estate of humanity can be restored. Thus, his teachings aim at showing humanity what to do to function consciously in the etheric region, the fourth dimension, and beyond. Let us look at the background to his identity. Christ Jesus' identity.
Filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all this.